Hi everybody, this is David Hogman and I am doing the 4.0 reflection video. 4 questions to answer. What did you learn about or share about in your industry during the time in this course? I learned a lot about how to researching in the gaming design in the field from websites and reading articles and responding to other students and replies. It opened my eyes to what is out there in the future of networking and industries. There was a lot of terms in my degree that I wasn't aware of, that I learned a lot of them and how to put them into context. The other questions we had is, what did you learn about your own future during the period of the exploration? Well, when I was in the exploration for my gaming industry, it will not be easy to jump into the gaming field. I knew in the field I needed to spend more time in improving and working on my networking skills, and when I'm ready, I will be the knowledge need to move in the future and what I want to be doing in this field. And the third question was, going forward, how will you apply the skills and concepts of you gaining in this success, both in your academic career as well as your professional career? Well, in the meantime, I'm applying for my bachelor's in gaming design, and I'm moving forward in my master's in gaming design. I feel this will make me more skillful and for a job in the future. To do this, time to getting myself out there in the world of networking with friends. And our other question is, what would you give other TIM course advice to other students? Well, in this one, for the wisdom, for the future students in this TEM class, have a strong head and very good study habits, and always looking forward to connecting and always keeping up with emails with other students to improve. Networking is your best friend in the industry. Thank you.